Here's the 8-month-old baby. And there's Kashi. He gets a little worked up. But he seems to be pretty interested in the baby. He keeps going back for more. There's Kashi. And here's the cute little baby. Hi, sweetheart. Hey, sweetie. Come here. Come on here. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. There's Kashi and the baby. Yeah, you love the baby, Kashi? Love the baby? I know, there you go. I know. I know you love the baby. Yeah. What's the baby doing now, Kashi? What's he doing now? Huh? What's the baby doing? What are you doing, baby?